We are asked to find the area of the shaded regions of the given shape below. So if you look at this shape, it contains two shapes, which is we have the outer part, which is the rectangle. Then inside the rectangle, we have a triangle. Now to find the area of the shaded region, what we're going to do is to find the area of the outer part, which is this rectangle. Then we find the area of the inner shape, which is the triangle. Then we take their difference. So the difference is going to be the area of the shaded part. Now to do that, first thing we need to do, we are going to take this rectangle from this shape out. So if you look at this shape, we have a rectangle of width of this rectangle is 10 centimeter, and the length, as you can see, is 14 centimeter. So inside the rectangle, we have a triangle. So if you look at this triangle, the baseline, which is this down line, is the same as the length of the rectangle from this D to C. So the baseline is going to be the same as 14 centimeter, and this triangle have a height of 10 centimeter, because if you want to measure the height of this triangle, it's going to be from this starting point to this end point. And if you look at this measurement, is the same measurement with the width of the rectangle. So the length, like this, is going to be 10 centimeter also. Now we're going to find the area of this boat shape, then we take their difference. Now let's begin from the area of a rectangle. So remember, to calculate the area of a rectangle is given as length multiplied by the width. So this is going to be, what is the length? The length is 14 centimeter. So we have 14 centimeter multiplied by the width of 10 centimeter. So 14 multiplied by 10 is going to give us 140. Then centimeters multiplied by centimeter is going to give us centimeter square. Now this is the area of this rectangle. Now let's find the area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is the same as what? B multiplied by H then over 2, where this B implies the baseline, then the H is the height, then we divide it by 2. So this is going to give us, what is the baseline? The baseline is 14 centimeter. Then we multiply it by height of 10 centimeter, then everything divided by 2. So this is going to be equal to 14 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter is going to give us 140 centimeter 2, then divided by 2. So when you divide 140 by 2, it's going to give us 70 centimeter square. Now we have successfully find the area of a rectangle and also the area of a triangle from this given shape. And remember, to find the area of the shaded part, this is going to be the difference between the outer part of the shape, which is the rectangle, and the inner shape, which is this triangle. Now we just take they are different. So therefore, we are going to have the shaded region. The shaded region is going to be equal to the area of the outer shape, which is the area of a rectangle, is going to be 140 centimeter 2. Then we take their difference minus the area of the inner shape, which is this triangle, and we find the area to be 70 centimeter 2. So 140 70, when we take away 70 centimeter 2 from 140 centimeter 2, is going to be 70 centimeter 2. So therefore, the area of the shaded region of this given shape, given the width of a rectangle 10 centimeter and the length of 14 centimeter, and also the triangle, the baseline is 14 centimeter, as the height is the same as 10 centimeter, is going to be 70 centimeter too. So this is how to find the area of the two shape.